Hi everyone, I'm TJ, and this is my 2-second lean improvement. Welcome to my garage. I was at the store the other day and was looking at electrical cord reels, and the cheapest one that I could find was around $30. And I thought to myself, why not just make one? I already had this orange reel. This was about $8 to $10, and I had plenty of scrap wood, so what I did here was I mounted a 4x4 to the wall and 2x3 onto the end to prevent this reel from sliding out. As you can see on this reel, when I move my orange reel, my black handle stays stationary, so I can wind and unwind this as needed, just like any other reel. It is stored and used right here at my point of use. I've got my outlet on the wall there. Other pros to this: it didn't cost me anything but creativity and scrap wood. And if I want it to be portable, 2 screws to remove and I can take it on the road with me. This is a lot smaller reel as compared to some of the other methods of cord management that you take on the road, such as the 5-gallon pail method. So that's fixing what bugs me, my 2-second lean improvement. Thanks everyone.